Okay, so you're stoked about your next big online project, right?
Mhm.
And then you remember you need an actual website,
Yeah, the worst.
and suddenly it feels like you're drowning in choices.
It's very real. And I think this deep dive today will really help you get a grasp of it.
Love it. I'm excited for this one. We're diving into this conversation between a podcast host and a digital marketing expert. They are going through their top picks for Fiverr developers.
Uh,
Pretty much any type of website you need.
yeah, and you know what they were going for? That sweet spot of quality and affordability.
Yes. Okay, so who are some of these developers?
Well, they start off with this developer who loves WordPress,
Okay.
and they really focus on user friendliness. After it's built, you can use it.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Uh,
Especially if you aren't super techy.
Right. And think about the savings.
True.
You don't have to pay a developer every time you need to make a small change.
You'd save so much money.
Right.
Okay. For our listeners who might not know, what is WordPress exactly?
So WordPress is basically like the engine behind a ton of websites out there. And it's known for being really easy to use,
Gotcha.
even if you are a total beginner.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Who's next?
This next developer is all about turning those visitors into buyers, especially for e-commerce.
Ooh, the holy grail of e-commerce for sure. Anyone can get someone to click, but getting them to buy is the real challenge.
It is. And this developer gets that. Their websites are beautiful,
Okay.
but more importantly, they're designed to actually make sales.
Okay, so they're not just pretty to look at. They get the job done.
Exactly. They get user psychology and how people use websites.
Interesting.
And then they use that to create designs that get people to buy.
So they're like a customer whisperer.
Yeah, exactly. It's about understanding what makes someone buy and then making a website that speaks to that.
I love it. Okay, so what if you need something totally unique? Is there a developer for that?
Totally. They talk about a developer who specializes in custom coding.
So custom coding, for someone who doesn't speak developer, what does that mean?
It means they can build you a website from scratch, exactly how you want it. So no templates. They write the actual code themselves. You have total control over the design and how it works.
So if I have a really specific vision, this is the person to go to.
Absolutely. And get this, they've even worked with global clients.
Wow,
So they're the real deal.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, this is great. Who else is on the dream team?
They talked about this other developer amazing at landing pages.
Like the difference between having a storefront and one that actually makes people want to go inside.
Exactly. And this developer gets that. Everything is designed with a goal in mind.
I love that.
Yeah, whether it's email signups or getting them to buy something.
So strategic.
Yeah, it's not just about looking nice. It's about getting that business result.
Love it. Okay, who's the last developer on our list?
So the final one, think all-in-one solution, especially if you're a small business and you're doing a million things at once.
Okay.
They can do it all. Build you a website from scratch or even revamp an existing one to match your brand.
That's awesome. Perfect for someone who is just starting out and doesn't have time to manage a bunch of different people.
Right. Plus, they offer branding services too.
Oh, wow. Branding on top of all that.
Yeah, pretty cool, right?
That is really cool. So why is that so important, having a cohesive brand, especially online?
I mean, think about brands that you love.
Yeah.
They all kind of have that consistent look and feel.
Right. You know who they are right away.
Exactly. And that's what a brand identity does for your website. It makes that connection right away.
And it builds trust, too.
Exactly. And, you know, there are so many websites out there. Makes you stand out.
Oh, for sure. It's almost like having a mission statement, but visual.
Right.
It says who you are without having to actually say it.
Yeah, and it has to be everywhere online. Your website, your socials, even emails.
That's a good point. So how much is all this going to cost me?
Yeah.
I'm sure that's what our listeners are wondering.
That's the cool thing about Fiverr, right?
Yeah.
Like they said, the affordability is great, but the best part, you can see what these developers have done before.
Ooh, I like that.
Check out their past work, see what other clients are saying, and of course, check out the pricing.
It's like getting a sneak peek before you commit to anything.
Totally. And that transparency is so valuable.
For sure. No more sending a million emails just to get a quote back.
Right. See if a developer matches what you need and what you can afford.
Yeah, exactly. I love that.
Right.
Okay, so we started this deep dive feeling kind of lost. Like, how are we going to find a website developer?
So many options.
So many. But now we have this amazing curated list of developers.
I know. It's kind of like having a map to Fiverr.
Yes, exactly. And we should say this deep dive isn't about saying, this is the perfect developer for you.
Right. It's about giving you the knowledge.
To choose for yourself.
Exactly. You have all the tools now to decide what is the perfect fit for you and your business.
So it's like we're giving you the map, highlighting the cool places to check out.
Yes. And then you get to decide where you want to go.
I love that.
And there's no wrong answer. The important thing is that you find a developer that you connect with.
Understands your goals.
Yeah, and that you can communicate with.
And of course, fits in your budget.
Yes. So many good ones out there.
So it's not about finding the one. It's about finding the one that works for what you need right now.
Exactly. And who knows, they might become your go-to for everything.
Right. That would be the dream.
Total win-win.
I love that. It's
Yeah.
so true. Okay, so as we're exploring Fiverr and all these great developers,
Yeah.
what's the most important thing to keep in mind?
Well, they kept talking about affordability,
Right.
which is awesome.
Yeah.
But you have to think about the features you need, too. And the quality.
Oh, that's such a good point.
Mm,
Because it's tempting to go for the cheapest option,
right?
but sometimes it's worth it to spend a little more. Save yourself the headache later.
100%. It's an investment.
Yes.
If you were building a store,
Yeah.
you wouldn't skimp on the foundation, would you?
No way.
Your website, that's your online foundation.
That's such a good way to put it.
So important.
Yeah.
So yeah, as you're looking at these developers on Fiverr, what are your must-haves?
Yes.
What do you absolutely need
Good question.
for your website to be successful?
Love that.
Mhm.
And honestly, sometimes that peace of mind is worth it.
Yes.
To know that you have someone experienced working on your site.
You got it. Just
Yeah.
trust your gut.
Yeah.
If you find someone you connect with
Yeah.
and they get you and what you want to do, go for it.
I love that. This has been such a great deep dive.
Yeah.
We went from, I am so overwhelmed I don't even know where to start,
Right.
to having a plan and a list of incredible developers.
Dude, I love Fiverr for this.
It's such a good resource.
So many talented people on there.
Yeah. Okay, so to everyone listening, your dream website, it's out there.
Go get them.
I love it. That's a wrap on our deep dive into finding a website developer on Fiverr. You got this.